Hello everyone, welcome back to TJ's Life, and I am TJ. Today I will be coming back with you guys with my weekly check-in. I am behind. I already filled in all the numbers. So basically what I want to do is just go in and just show you what I've done or what's been going on so far for the month of May. So this month I didn't decorate my planner. I'm keeping it simple. But we'll go ahead and get started here. So for the first week of, let's say, May, because I like to start with the first. So from the 1st through the 4th, this is all my spending right here. And in total, I spent in expenses $7.95, and I have this right here. And let me just show you the totals. But this is what the monthly overview is looking like. I'm gonna move this out the way real quick. But this is the weekly check-in part here. So in expenses for the first week I spent $7.95. In auto pays I spent $52.25. In grocery I spent $136.84. Eating out $54.80. Miscellaneous $242.16. And unbudgeted $37. My balances I brought down over here. And then for the second week of May, May 5th through the 11th, for expenses I spent $0. In auto pay $88.69. Groceries $77.28. And miscellaneous $44.01. Okay, so we got that part done. And this is just going to be a real quick short video as far as my weekly check-in goes. But I did go ahead and get started on setting up my paycheck, my second paycheck for the month. This is what they call a bonus check month. So I've already started filling this out. As you can see, anytime I write anything in red, that means obviously that's negative. So in my main bank account, I am minus $97.92. My Cash App $651. I'm expecting $1,050.84 for my income, and I still haven't calculated what Mark will be paying me for his part on the bills. I don't have dates here. So I'm budgeting $50 for fuel. And let's see here. I'm going to budget $225 for the dish bill. Gas, I'm going to budget, I'm going to say $85. Electric, $75. Water, $75. And grocery, I gotta get groceries this week. I'm going to budget $200. I'm not gonna budget anything for eating out. Miscellaneous spending, I'm gonna budget $150. And I'm not gonna budget anything for unbudgeted. Okay, and that's what I have for this week coming up. For our sinking funds, my transportation, which is me, I catch the bus to work. So I'm going to budget $20. And then Cash App, I can't remember. I'm going to have to, let me see something here. Okay, so let me go to last month. I'm gonna budget $367.50. Excuse this dry, I got a dry spot on my arm. And then extra savings, I don't know yet. So we're just gonna leave that part blank. All of this is blank, okay? So I get paid this week on the 15th, and this is just what my budgeting ahead looks like so far. I have spent already for the week And a lot of times, where you think I will be negative, market gives me money also, but it's just like, it just for our day-to-day spending, so I just calculate what I might need for that day or what have you. But I am going to put, I have a no spend. Ooh, that's horrible. I have a no spend for the 6th. A no spend for the 7th. Yeah, this month started out crazy for me. Then I also have a no spend for the 9th. Okay, and then that's it so far. And this is where we are. So if you stay to the end, I want to say thank you so much. I do apologize to my returning viewers or subscribers. It's just been a rough month already. And we're not even quite at the middle of the month yet. But if you stay to the end, like I said, thank you so much. I do appreciate your reviews. Whether you like or don't like, or if you leave a comment or don't leave a comment, any kind of interaction with my channel does help the algorithm for me. And those who are still haven't decided on subscribing, why don't you just go ahead, give it a try. It doesn't cost anything. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe bell, and then hit the subscribe bell one more time, just so that you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. So until next time, bye bye.